Hello, my name is Advait and this lab experiment is for ESE 519 Introduction to Embedded Systems. This code you see in front of you is a Morse code decoder. Let's move on to the initialize function. Here we have a timer TCR1B. We use that and we prescale it by 256. Then we set our timer to normal mode. We don't need CTC because we don't really care what the last number is. Then we set our TIFR flag as 1. So when an event occurs, TIFR will become 0 and we'll get to know if there's been any change or an event has occurred. We then check for falling edges and then we capture our change with TIMSK1, and we also have made provision for overflow using TOIE1. So in this code I have two ISR functions. The first ISR, it records and checks for dots and dashes and spaces, and using that we display the characters and its corresponding ASCII values. In our second ISR function, we increment whenever there is overflow. As you can see right here. Moving on to the main function, we have a DDRB that we have used that to set our LED pins as output pins, and we have used the LED for every dot and dash. So each dot or each dash will have its own individual LED. I'm going to build this code. There seem to be no errors. I then flash it onto my Arduino, and the code seems to have gone in. I'm going to now open my data visualizer. It's been already set to COM3. I'm gonna connect it and it should start. This is my circuit right here. There's a switch and then I have two LEDs as I've mentioned during the code explanation. The green LED, that's for the dots, and the red LED, that's for the dashes, and the spaces we get that when there's a lot of time in between. So right now there's nothing printing on my console. I'm going to start rapidly pressing onto the button and hopefully I will see only dots showing up. Yep, so we do have a few reds and they shouldn't be coming, but we have greens, and as you can see that every time I tap on my switch we get ASCII values and the corresponding letter as well. Yeah, so as you can see there are different letters, there are numbers coming up, so that's a good sign. I've checked for all letters and all numbers and they've all come out